Oh, there we go. Fish on. Fish on. Little guy. Little guy, but definitely made my morning. See you later. There we go. Sooner or later we had to get some slime on this puppy. Ooh. Come here, little fella. Come into the net. Oh yeah. First fish on the new kayak. Not a giant, definitely a feisty one. Thank you so much, man. Made my day. See you later. Oh, there we go. Got away. That thing was chasing it though. Whoa, that was quick on the drop. It's a good one. Right on that tree stump right there. Come on up. Oh, it's just a little one that fights like a good one. But we'll take them. Oh yeah. I was still flipping my bell and reeling in the slack when he was already on. Oh yeah, thanks for playing, little guy. Took my worm though. See you later.